Welcome to your go-to guide for acing the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, or CMRP exam. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Together, we're going to explore some best practices to help you prepare for this significant certification. We'll delve into the core principles that the exam covers, discuss where to find study materials, and even lay out a simple 3-step study plan. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your career as a maintenance professional, stay tuned. Are you feeling the stress of an upcoming exam? You're not alone. Many of us find it difficult to focus on exam preparation, especially when it's for an important certification, like the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional exam. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Let's start with the basics. The Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional exam is designed for supervisors and managers in maintenance and reliability. However, any maintenance professional can take this exam as a stepping stone for career advancement or simply to enrich their resume. Now let's talk about how to study for this exam. It all starts with a clear intention. Do you want to pass the CMRP exam? It may seem like a silly question, but it's crucial. Don't let yourself be psyched out or overly worried about it before you even start. Here's a simple 3-step plan to get you started. First, set aside some time to study. Second, gather quality materials that relate to your exam. And third, convince yourself that it is possible to pass and that you will pass. Once you've got that down, let's dive into what you'll actually be studying. The Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional exam covers 5 fundamental principles. 1. Business and management. 2. Equipment reliability. 3. Manufacturing process reliability. 4. Organization and leadership. 5. Work management. These topics will be covered in depth during the test to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of maintenance management. Now, where can you find the study material? Here are some common aids. 1. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals online library and resources. 2. Online classes specifically tailored for the CMRP exam. 3. Free study guides created by other students. 4. Classic books on maintenance, such as The Toyota Way by Jeff Liker, Maintenance Planning and Scheduling by Doc Palmer, and The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Remember to take notes as you read. Good note-taking practices will save you from having to reread books to find the information you've forgotten. Once you've got a good grasp of the material, it's time to test your knowledge with practice quizzes. They bridge the gap between learning the information and demonstrating your understanding of it. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals provides study materials and practice questions on their site under the title CMRP Candidate Guide for Certification and Recertification. There are also apps like the CMRP Study Quiz 2.0 and the CMRP Study Quiz version 3 that offer practice questions to help you prepare for the exam. Don't forget to tap into your workplace and extended professional network. Your coworkers, supervisors, or mentors who have taken the exam might have valuable insights and tips. Online forums and communities can also be a great source of information and support. On the day of the test, remember that the application process is completely online, including payment. The test is 2.5 hours long and consists of 110 questions. The grading is done automatically, and you'll get your results as soon as you complete the test. If you don't pass the first time, you can retake the test after 6 months. Finally, remember that the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional certification expires every 3 years. But you can always retake the test. Use your new certification to advance your career, and remember, there are no shortcuts to preparing for the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional exam. Study the material, quiz yourself until you feel confident, and you're sure to succeed. Thank you for watching this video guide on preparing for the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional exam. We've covered the basics of the exam, how to study, and where to find resources. Remember, success comes from preparation, and we're here to help you on that journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you succeed in your maintenance and reliability career.